Hi, it's Martin. I'm in the studio today, and we're gonna make biscuits. And it's flaky and tender and incredible. It's my favorite biscuit. Let's make biscuits! All-purpose flour, different than the self-rising biscuit, a little bit more toothy, has more protein, but with all the butter that we're gonna use, it's gonna still give us this really tender sort of crisp consistency that we're after, and we'll have all of this flavor from the sourdough culture. And then baking powder and salt. It's important to distribute these ingredients real well because I'm going to try and be gentle with this mix. I'm going to try not to overmix this dough, and if I get those ingredients well distributed at the get-go, we'll be better off. So the next thing that happens here, I've got my dry ingredients combined, and I'm going to add in cold butter. So what I want with this sort of layered, flaky biscuit consistency is keeping things cold in the same way that I would keep those ingredients cold if I were making pie crust. You see how I have this variable consistency? I've got some big pieces, and I also have some that are smaller. Let me get a little bit more and show you. So I've got some pieces of butter which are large, and I have some which are small, and then I have sort of that remaining mixture which is fine, almost like cornmeal. And that's what I want. I want this sort of variable consistency. Now, it's time to add this. So we need liquid in here, right? So remember that this sourdough culture has some liquid. It has water. It also has a little bit of flour in it. But this is basically what is enabling this dough to bind together, is this sourdough culture. When the culture is young, it will have a little bit more viscosity. It's going to be a little bit tougher to sort of incorporate. If you have an older culture, like you've been saving your discard in the fridge, this is flowable. The acid in there has broken down the flour and it will almost pour like heavy cream. It's a little bit easier to work with, but trust me that if you're using sourdough culture that you've just built, it can still work and it will still make a very good biscuit, if not the best biscuit that you've ever eaten. So I'm going to use the tougher one just to show you that it still works and it's not too bad. So we're hydrating this recipe with sourdough culture, and it's full of flavor. So those of you who make a lot of biscuits are going to worry that we're overworking this, but trust me that it's not, because we have enough fat in this recipe to make it work. Okay, so I don't have it all the way together yet, but that's okay. I'm going to dump it out onto the counter. So it looks like a little bit of a mess right now, right? I've got some dry stuff that's not incorporated, but it's okay. I'm just going to pat it and then fold it a little bit. And it's going to come together. See that? And I'm going to use just a little bit of flour on my surface because I want to roll it just a little bit. So did you see how that kind of came together? It went from something where you're thinking, uh-oh, failure, to something that's homogeneous. I see the butter. You see these butter pieces that are in there? And then I'm just going to cut it in 4 pieces. So in the middle, and then the middle again. See how we have these layers, and you can see these bits of butter that are in there? Those are going to give us some flake. You don't have to do squares. You could do rounds too. This cutter has been, I don't know, this cutter is probably as old as I am. It's looking a little haggard, but you can cut rounds too. I like squares because I don't have any scrap. And a little bit of cream. Cream again is going to help them brown just a little bit in the oven. So, buttery sourdough sandwich biscuits, here they are. Let's get them in the oven. Ta-da! Biscuits! It's tender. It's got enough butter that that literally it fries a little bit on the pan. It's impossible to eat this with a frown, right? It's impossible. It's too damn good. So it's Martin and Tucker saying thanks for joining us. Get out there and make some biscuits. Be well, and maybe I'm gonna have a bite of your sandwich in addition to mine.
Hey,
Good.